After Jõhvi, I got a job at Estonian National Broadcast Union and stopped driving taxi. Life just seemed a lot more balanced, easier, and also a lot of people were kind of surprised at how much the program teaches you, and it opened a lot of opportunities for me. I would recommend Jõhvi because it doesn't hold your hand. It pretty much forces you to grow and learn. It can be at your own pace, but if you want to really get a job and start working in IT, you can really do a lot in a year, basically. The program is great for people who want to challenge themselves and gain a lot of experience that you wouldn't get working alone.